David, would you be able to really help us understand what is a stem cell and why stem cells are so important to us as human beings?
Sure thing. So first of all, there are many different types of stem cells. There are omnipotent and totipotent stem cells, pluripotent stem cells, multipotent stem cells, and these just represent different levels of cell differentiation. So we start off with these universal stem cells, and then they will begin to divide and differentiate. And so the gene expression in those stem cells changes. And the more that they divide and differentiate, they become different types of groups of cells. And then eventually they will become, let's say, a liver cell or a kidney cell or muscle cell or what have you. So all of us have these stem cells, and every cell in our bodies was once a stem cell. And this is where the power lays, because you can imagine, let's take a very extreme case where somebody loses a limb, right? This would be really tragic. But what if we could cultivate and grow these stem cells and then apply them to the injury site, and they could differentiate and divide in a controlled manner? We could regrow that person's lost limb. There would be no need for a robotic limb. So these technologies are kind of converging today, but eventually, what we're going to see is what you see in some science fiction movies where people completely regenerate lost limbs and lost body parts. And some of that is not science fiction anymore. Some of it is already being done today. And so it's definitely in our future.
Wow. So I would say that stem cells are pretty important. They're the foundation of everything in our whole body, right?
Yep, absolutely.
Pretty important.